Interrupted by the vb6 Setup Kit Library DLL pop-up? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the professional recovery for your system packages. Before we begin the manual steps for vb6 Setup Kit Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the vb6 Setup Kit Library, the Visual Basic 6.0 Setup Toolkit. It provides localized unmanaged routines for 1990s era installers, managing localized file extraction and registry registration for localized vb6 components, mandatory for installing legacy localized accounting software. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The best approach here is a reinstall of Visual Basic 6.0 Setup Toolkit. Grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them to restore the file. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including vb6 Setup Kit Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Remember that manual replacement of vb6 Setup Kit Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If you're addressing vb6 Setup Kit library inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped vb6 Setup Kit library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.